Okay, part 2 of drawing Sun GT because I just had a little, I don't know. I just bring out the cover. Hello. Hell no. Bro, I wish I could just draw normally, bro. But, okay, just calm down. Let's just calm down. Hell no.
Say,
Mm.
ipid mo yung cuts. Hindi, wag na. Dito. Umaga na?
There goes the smiley. No. There goes the smiley. Oh my gosh, I think all that burp. Oh, 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 oh. There goes Smiley. I'm kind of bored, so I'm just add some little crayons. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's No, bro, I don't know why I sound like that. Okay, I'm gonna just charge. There. Now. Let's go smile you.
Babalik tayo doon.
Here the smiley. And nakita naman na
talaga natin ang araw siguro, no?
Am I just gonna waste my time of drawing or not? Maybe, I don't know. I just started the video.
Wala naman tayo pang-attender natin. Kuha muna tayo sa business.
Oh, oh my god.
Malapit na. Malapit na.
Maybe tomorrow. Bye bye.